Hi, we'll talk today about exponential notation. So when we have a to the power n, that means that we will multiply it by a, and then we will continue to do that until we reach a, and we will do that n times, in factors. Let's see an example. If we have 3 to the power 4, that means that we'll get 3 and multiply it by 3 and 3 and 3 again. So if you can notice here that we have 4 of 3's. Let's see an example. Here we have 1 over 2 to the power 5. So that means 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 and multiplied by 1 over 2. And that would equal to 1 over, we can calculate it. Here we have 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Here's 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. We have here 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And 16 multiplied by 2, it's nothing but 32. So this is the answer for part A. Let's see the next part. The next part is minus 3 all to the power 4. So we will have minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, 4 times. So here we will get minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. When we are multiplying two minuses, we'll get a plus. So here we'll get plus 9. And here the same thing. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, it's nothing but plus 9. So 9 multiplied by 9, it's 81. Let's see part C. So part C says minus 3 to the power 4. Just notice here the difference between part B and part C. So in part B we have parentheses, while in part C we don't have parentheses. And I'll just explain what that means. So here we don't have parentheses. That means that we have a minus here, and then we have the expression. So we have a minus, and then we have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. So that would equal to the same answer, which is 81, but multiplied by minus. So it's minus 81. And this is the end of example 1. We will talk now about zero and negative exponents. Let's suppose that we have a to the power 0. That would equal what? That would equal to 1. Any number to the power 0 will equal to 10. I mean 1, not 10. Let's see the next property. So if we have a to the power minus n, that would equal to 1 over a to the power n. So if you can notice here, we are just taking all of this and put it down and change the sign of the power. So instead of having a to the power minus n, we will have a to the power n. Just keep in mind these two properties. Let's see example 2. So the part A says 4 over 7 all to the power 0. So we know from the previous property that any number to the power 0 will equal to 1. So the answer here is 1. Part B says x to the power minus 1. So we can rewrite it from the property number 2 like 1 over x to the power 1. And we can write this as 1 over x. any number is power 1, so we can just remove the 1 here. So we can just remove it. Part C says minus 2 all to the power minus 3. Let's see. So we have here 1 to the power minus 2 to the power 3. And that would equal to 1 over minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, because we have power 3. So here we will have minus multiplied by minus is a positive, and then multiplied by a minus, that would be negative. So we will have a negative sign here. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and multiplied by 2 we will get 8. So the final answer is 1 over minus 8. Actually, we can write it in many ways. So we can write it as minus 1 over 8 or minus 1 over 8. So the minus here will be in the middle, the minus here will be up, the minus here will be down. All of them are the same. This is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And goodbye.